please never find my way. I'm the Emperor, and as such, I'm born with an innate sense of direction. Okay, where am I? What? Okay, that was the freakiest thing I've ever seen. What do you want? Oh, for me? Why, I don't know what to say. Hit the road, Bucky! Ow! No, don't. Ha! Jaguar. Whoa!
Don't worry, Your Highness, I gotcha. You're safe now.
Maybe I'm just new to this whole rescuing thing, but this, to me, might be considered kind of a step backwards, wouldn't you say?
Oh, no. It's okay. This is all right. We can figure this out.
I hate you. I don't know about you, but I'm getting all funned out.
Uh-oh.
Don't tell me. We're about to go over a huge waterfall.
Yep.
Sharp rocks at the bottom?
Most likely.
Bring it on.
Your Highness. Your Highness, can you hear me? Oh, boy. Come on, breathe. Breathe! Oh, boy, me. Ooh. All right.